you have a problem, can nobody else help? How would you find help in Microsoft Teams? As in all Microsoft products, you can do certain things in certain ways, and there's never just one way to do things. There's always several, and finding help within Microsoft Teams is of no exception to this. Move your mouse cursor down to the bottom left hand side and click the icon, and then click on Topics. That will get you to the help screen and give you some more additional information on how you can do certain things within Microsoft Teams. There's plans, there's video tips, browse your help, popular comments on how, say, to create a team, how to start collaborating, how to get going with this really powerful collaboration hub. And then for administrators, there's another host of topics around adoption, how to secure teams, how to stop team sprawl. It's all in there. Microsoft really have done the work. Using the top command bar and using the / key gets you a list of help commands or commands you can use. Doing a / and help command also takes you to the help screen. Again, we've been through in previous videos the host of commands you can get from the top command bar by pressing /. Not only that, you know, what's new is another one to get you to the same sort of screen, but it takes you to the what's new tab at the top as opposed to topics, training and about. So as you can see, the help command can be achieved and gotten to from a certain number of different aspects within this Microsoft interface, as with all Microsoft interfaces like we've said. It's worthwhile going through the help and looking at the videos and looking through the little articles that Microsoft have put together. They're really informative and they're really good. And don't forget, you've also got the collaboration kernel channel as well to help you out if you are lacking in some area of help aspect. So thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done so for these quick and easy tips. Also hit that notification icon and that'll let you know I'm putting more on YouTube. Happy collaborating.